Hey guys, today I am in the city of San Diego. I'm here at ABBEY'S Texas Barbecue and I am about to take on their massive burger challenge. I'm so excited. I drove 2 hours for this. It smells incredible, so let's go inside and check it out. Okay guys, so this is the Hall of Fame right here. So many people have done it. I'm hoping to join them today. I think one of my friends on here as well, but I cannot wait. It smells so good. Alright you guys, so here it comes. This is the Texas Chainsaw Burger Challenge here at ABBEY'S Real Barbecue in San Diego, California. Thank you so much.
There you go, enjoy.
15-minute time limit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, awesome. Cannot wait to get started. Alright guys, so this thing looks delicious. Look at those layers of meat and the fries look amazing. But 15 minutes is a very short amount of time, so we're gonna have to eat this fast. Alright guys, so this is the Texas Chainsaw Burger Challenge here at ABBEY'S Real Barbecue in San Diego, California. It's a 15-minute time limit to finish all this in here, and we'll get started. Okay, it looks so good. Okay, these fries look amazing, so we're gonna start on that. Let's eat. Oh yeah. Fries are so good. Sausage. The mash, is it ham? There's ham. tender too. I need more of these fries later. These fries are so good. I'm saving this brisket bite because this brisket is so good. So I'm gonna eat the sandwich first before I eat the rest of that brisket. I'm gonna ask for more fries because these fries are so good. Okay. 11 minutes and 49 seconds. That was so good. Woo. Yeah, I'm getting more fries. Meat is definitely harder to like eat fast for me. It's so heavy. I don't like the ham because I just don't like ham. Not dumb, I just don't like ham. But the brisket was amazing. Alright guys, so I just finished, but I'm also going to be trying out one of their turkey legs. This is new on the menu and it looks so good. I'm not fully full anyways, like, I did ask for more fries, so we got more of that. But look at this, it's so big. Wow.
And turn right.
Alright guys, so got the win, got my t-shirt and got the meal for free. And that turkey leg was awesome. I even got some fries to go so I can have a little snack while I drive back home. But anyway, thank you so much for ABBEY'S barbecue here in San Diego. Check them out if you guys are looking for delicious meat. The brisket was so good. He might have got a little bit of something. No, it's over here. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.